As a developer, you can access many tools and CLIs directly from your terminal. But signing into these services often involves storing plaintext API access keys on your disk. This gives you persistent authentication, but it also means malicious actors could steal your keys and access the systems they protect. That's why we built 1Password shell plugins to help you work more quickly and more securely. Now, you can secure your access keys in 1Password and sign into any CLI using your fingerprint or other biometrics. With 1Password CLI, you can add a plugin for each service with a single command. Follow the configuration flow to set up your keys in 1Password. Sign in by scanning your fingerprint, and only that specific terminal session can access your keys. Find a CLI we haven't built a plugin for yet? You can contribute one by joining the open source community project. Find out all the ways 1Password is helping developers work more quickly and securely.